Learn the magic of conjunctions, tying your thoughts together. Hello, English language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into an essential part of English grammar. A little something that can help your sentences flow smoothly like a stream. Conjunctions. These are the words that help us connect ideas, and without them, our sentences would be very choppy and disconnected. Conjunctions are like the glue that holds sentences together. They allow us to connect words, phrases, and even whole sentences. This means we can create more complex, interesting thoughts. Imagine you want to say, I like reading. I like writing. With conjunctions, you can smoothly connect these sentences. I like reading and writing. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are probably the ones you're most familiar with. They include words like and, but, or, so, yet, for, and, nor. They connect words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance. For example, I like reading and I enjoy writing. Subordinating conjunctions are used to link a main clause with a subordinate clause. They include words like although, because, since, and while. For example, I like reading because it broadens my imagination. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs and link balanced words, phrases, and clauses. Examples are either, or, neither, nor, both, and not only, but also. For example, I not only like reading, but also enjoy writing. Even though conjunctions seem straightforward, they can sometimes be tricky. Remember, each type of conjunction has a specific purpose and place in a sentence. For coordinating conjunctions, remember the acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They usually go between the items they're connecting. For subordinating conjunctions, be aware of the clause order. You can start with either the main clause or the subordinate clause. For example, because it broadens my imagination, I like reading. For correlative conjunctions, ensure that the sentence parts they're connecting are parallel or similar in structure. For instance, I enjoy not only reading a good book, but also writing short stories. And there we have it, adventurers of English. That's our exploration of conjunctions for today. By using conjunctions effectively, you'll find your sentences become much more fluid and meaningful. As always, practice is key. So try to use new conjunctions in your conversations and writing. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to mastering English. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.